Guys, what up? Guys, I just thought it's about time. It seems like appropriate to start blessing people into the crypto community as some type of christening event for people that have now either still in crypto or still holding crypto. It seems about that time to start giving out some accolades, so some awards. So this is my award to you. It might sound a little weird, but this is my award to you for simply being in crypto as an OG in an OG point in time. Because in my eyes, guys, if you're on this channel, you are an OG in crypto. It doesn't matter if this is when you're entering right now. Now, this might change depending on the prices here soon, guys. But I would say that if you're in cryptocurrency right now, you've either been here through the last rally and or you're sticking around despite you being down maybe 98% in some of these coins that you're holding, right? So we're looking at timelines, guys. This is kind of what this channel is. We follow timelines of very conceptual based arguments that I present on the channel, that we see how these arguments and these predictions pan out. I mean, I'm not right all the time, but a lot of the time I am, and we can't discredit the fact that a lot of the time I am right, guys. So not to toot my own horn there, guys, it might sound a bit arrogant, but the confidence comes from the actual holding, guys. That's where the confidence comes. That's where the confidence factor comes into play with cryptocurrency specifically, is the holding factor. Because likely, now there might be people watching the channel that just joined crypto, in the last year, I would say, or 6 months. And that's, some people just get in early, guys. Some people just get in at good times. It's just how the cookie crumbles. It's just how the introduction to it happens, guys. There's people that get in at, I got in at a good time, but it's only because I got a better job once the bottom washed me out the first time. Some people just get in at a good time, and they just do better than me. So that's just something I kind of gotta accept on the channel, guys. Some people get in at a good time. Some people get in at an okay time, like me. Some people get in at the worst time. I mean, technically, guys, I didn't get in at a good time. I got in at a bad time, lost all my money, but then I came back in and got in at a good time when everybody else was sitting out, not buying cryptocurrencies, guys. So I would say that if you are in cryptocurrency right now, regardless of if you got in 2020, 21, 22, or now, I mean, it's been a while, guys. And the thing with 2020 was kind of interesting because some people, I think, went into crypto and held in crypto just because of the whole COVID thing. They didn't know where to go, so they just decided, I'm not going to fuck with stocks or Tesla or any of the stuff going on in the stock market. I'm just going to go into crypto. So I know those type investors and those type people that are just like innovation. Those people did get in at that time, so they wrote it up, and then now they are with us at this point in time. And basically, you have people like me that got in the last bubble and kind of did the same thing, and then now we're still here. That kind of thing. But likely people have been basically washed out at this point. Like I said, there probably is a small group of people. I would say it's much more small at this point, for people that have gotten in like 2022 into 2023, or just 23 alone would even be a smaller group. But I would say that there's not a lot of new people, I feel like, rushing into crypto at this point. But I think that if you are here, guys, you deserve to at least know on this channel, guys, you guys are at least an OG or just got lucky as fuck and got in at a really good time. And you have the ability to ongoingly purchase cryptocurrencies, guys, like I'm doing. I don't know if you guys saw Dash. It dropped under $24 today. And some of these prices, where I'm at now, guys, and where I'm going with crypto is two different things. So basically, as you guys know, majority of my purchases, majority of my bags are Bitcoin Cash, BSV, guys. Those are my two Those are just the communities I personally like, guys. So that's how you kind of get into crypto. Everybody on the channel has their own community and feel to it. But I would say that like these 2 coins are like definitely my 2 biggest holdings. So now I'm trying to branch off, and I have other holdings in Zcash, Dash, Neo, ETC, XRP, these other coins. So trying to go more into these other coins, because I feel like I have a strong enough foundation in cryptocurrency, in some of these, Bitcoin SV, Bitcoin Cash. So unless I start making a lot more money coming in, I'm taking advantage of some of these other coins, guys, like Dash, Zcash, those kind of things, just because if I'm making less money than I did 2-3 years ago, which is kind of the case, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm making less money than I was 2 years ago, minus inflation, not even considering inflation, just in actual dollar amounts. I'm making less. The last year hasn't been that great, guys, honestly. It's not that great right now. Not making a lot of money. So the money that I am making, I'm taking that money and putting it into coins like, Dash and Zcash, just because, yes, they're more riskier coins, but there's also a better potential in my personal financial situation for the upside swing on that. So I'm going for the upside swing, obviously. And it might pan out, guys. I might have just should have bought more Bitcoin Cash or buy more Bitcoin SV, but BSV has collapsed, pretty much. I don't know, I don't know where it's going, guys. Honestly, I don't know where, Bitcoin SV is going. I don't know where Zcash and Dash are going, guys. So I'm kind of just buying those coins on a whim, hoping I can maybe recoup some of these losses that I've incurred out of my Bitcoin Cash and a lot of my my crypto there, and just the inflation and all that shit, just general shit that everybody has to deal with. I'm nobody special, but my point is, guys, is for me, if you've been in this crypto shit for the last rally or this rally, in my eyes, if you're watching this channel, you're an OG at this point, or you're just super fucking lucky and got in at a great time. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That'll wrap it up in this episode, where I just briefly talked about the ups and downs in crypto, the fact that if you're in crypto, you're likely an OG at this point, just because you pretty much lost it all and came back either on FTX or Terra Luna, or you incurred massive losses, and you're still here buying, so you at least believe into some of the stuff we're talking about on this channel, guys. And if you got in just in the last, I would say, year, like you just got lucky. I mean, that's all it is. And if you have money to buy crypto, you're getting at a good time. So I will catch you guys in the next episode.